Get into the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a seriously capable Wagoneer that offers impressive towing capability, an upscale, spacious cabin loaded with desirable passenger amenities, advanced safety features, and sleek, modern design. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, backup camera, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim. Feel confident and secure in this highly capable Wagoneer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.